Thank you, Jamie. That for you.
Thank you, Jamie. Thank you, Mark, for making that song possible. Okay, we're going to give the people what they really want, what they really, really want. It's what you all came here for today. We're going to play a special Tournament of Champions edition of... version of the game. The 4 people going up against Mark are former winners who stumped Mark, and now Mark is getting a second chance at being stumped again.
To my arch nemesis. First up, Don Kastner from Sonoma. Hey, Don. Scott Kozlowski from Atlanta, Georgia.
From Allen, Texas.
Hey! And last but not least, this is the OG You Were Wrong, Mark. The inspiration behind the music video, Carrie Bishop from Trinity, Michigan. This is great.
They've all got their shirts on. I'm so proud of you 4.
Hey, there's your book.
And
There's your book.
Everybody's got their gear. I love this so much.
Okay, you know how this works. You've each given us a statement that is either true or a big fat lie. I have a total of 60 seconds to decide who is telling the truth and who is not. If you stump me, you'll win the coveted Stump Mark trophy and the exclusive Stump Mark Champion t-shirt.
He says I stumped Mark again.
Champion. Guys, this is awesome. All right, player number 1, Don, here's your statement. I was recognized on the street the day after I played Stump Mark. Okay. Player 2, Scott, said while on vacation, I met trivia winners from your show. Okay. Player number 3, you said my sister saw me play Stump Mark from her doctor's office. Okay. And Carrie, I have 2 cats named Haley and Mateo. All right, here we go. All right,
coming up closer to the window and staring me down, and just as I passed, he opened his door and came out on his porch. I thought, oh no, I'm walking on his lawn, he's gonna yell at me. He said, hey, were you on Kelly and Mark yesterday? And I think I recognize you and your dogs.
Okay, all right, good story. Scott, where were you on vacation and who did you meet there?
I went to the Tanque Verde Nude Ranch in Tucson, Arizona, and our next door neighbors had won their trip on the live with Kelly and whatever iteration it was at that time.
Gotcha. Okay. Your sister saw you in the doctor's office?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. And number 4, you have 2 cats named Hannah and Mateo. How old are your cats?
They're 2.
They're 2. All right. All right, player number 1. I'm going to deal with you first, Don. I say you were recognized by your neighbor. True or false?
True.
True. Yes. Good. Scott, you did not see trivia dancers on vacation. Or trivia winners. You did not see that. That's false.
You're wrong, Mark. It's true.
Half our audience is either in the hospital or a doctor's office, so I believe that is true.
You are also wrong.
Carrie, I do not believe you have 2 cats named Haley and Mateo. That's false.
I want to say you are wrong, Mark, again. But
you're not. You're not. All right, 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Congratulations, you guys are the Tournament of Champions winners.